So, by the way, that says cos to the 6x. That's not a b, that is a 6. I know my writing can be a bit funny on 6s. Okay, let's use the standard method. Is it one of the 5 easy ones? No, it's not. Is it on the formula sheet? No. Is it something divided by something else? Meaning it might be like a log? No. Okay, so probably it's either parts or substitution. I say probably because maybe we have to do some rearranging or simplifying, or maybe we missed something. I'm going to guess it's not parts because it's just trigs there. And generally parts doesn't work very well if it's just trig. That's just a general rule. So probably substitution. Can we spot substitution? If you can't spot it yet, pause and have a look. Okay, that is actually cos x to the 6 with those brackets, but it's kind of a shorthand. In which case, let's look at the substitution. The substitution we're going to use is u equals cos x. If you've looked at some other videos, you might be thinking the same thing as me, or you might think this anyway. What does that differentiate to? Does it differentiate to sin x? If it does, that looks promising, and in fact it does. Du dx equals sin x. So we're thinking maybe we're going to get some cancelling here. This looks promising. I'm going to rearrange this slightly more carefully. Oh, by the way, I forgot a minus sign there. So du equals minus sin x dx. So that means that dx equals minus du over sin x, because I've divided both sides by minus sin x. So I've now got this substitution that I can drop in. Let me just box that out. So this becomes the integral of u to the 6, because I'm using the fact that u is cos x. The sin x still sits there, so this is kind of the controversial thing about doing substitutions, which is that you sort of leave some things in terms of x, but we do it because we know it's going to cancel. We can have the philosophy of maths discussion another time, but this is generally considered to be okay. U to the 6. Oh, can you spot my deliberate mistake? That should have been a u. Du. So then we have to revisit the decision about can we integrate. Is it one of the easy ones? Oh yeah, it is, because that's just like x to the n. So I'm just going to integrate that like x to the n, so that'd be 1/7 u to the 7, and then put a plus c. We want our final answer in terms of x, probably, in which case that's minus 1/7 cos x to the 7 plus c, and that is more typically written, and this can be quite confusing. Obviously this means this, because there's this convention in trig that if you're doing a trig to a power, you can just put the number in this different place and avoid having to write brackets.